Welcome back to day 5 of the Shadowing English Challenge. You're here because you want to speak English faster, clearer, and more confidently. If you've been following since day 1 and day 2, amazing. You're building a strong speaking habit. If this is your first time, don't worry. You can start today and still see big progress. Today's 50 phrases are short, powerful, and useful in real life. We'll repeat each phrase 3 times, first slowly, then naturally, then fast. Your job is to listen carefully, then repeat exactly after me. Stay with me until the end, because the last 5 phrases are real-life conversation gold. 1. I will handle it. I will handle it. I will handle it. 2. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. 3. I trust you. I trust you. I trust you. 4. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. 5. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. 6. Please write it down. Please write it down. Please write it down. 7. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. 8. The road is closed. The road is closed. The road is closed. 9. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. 10. You look amazing. You look amazing. You look amazing. 11th. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. 12. I'm very thirsty. I'm very thirsty. I'm very thirsty. 13. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. 14. I feel much better. I feel much better. I feel much better. 15th. Let's sit here. Let's sit here. Let's sit here. 16. I'll explain later. I'll explain later. I'll explain later. 17. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. 18. I like your smile. I like your smile. I like your smile. 19th. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. 20. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late. 21. Please answer me. Please answer me. Please answer me. 22. I'm almost ready. I'm almost ready. I'm almost ready. 23. You're very kind. You're very kind. You're very kind. 24. I found it. I found it. I found it. 25. Let's take a photo. Let's take a photo. Let's take a photo. 26. I like this song. I like this song. I like this song. 27. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. 28th. I need some water. I need some water. I need some water. 29. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. 30. Please follow me. Please follow me. Please follow me. 31. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. 32. Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. 33. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. 34. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. 35. I like this place. I like this place. I like this place. 36. Let's wait here. Let's wait here. Let's wait here. 37. You scared me. You scared me. You scared me. 38. I can't decide. I can't decide. I can't decide. 39. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 40. It's too noisy. It's too noisy. It's too noisy. 41. I need to rest. I need to rest. I need to rest. 42. Please try again. Please try again. Please try again. 43. I love this view. I love this view. I love this view. 44. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. 45. That's so funny. That's so funny. That's so funny. 46. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. 47th. Let's walk faster. Let's walk faster. Let's walk faster. 48. I need a break. I need a break. I need a break. 49. This is delicious. This is delicious. This is delicious. 50. Please be careful. Please be careful. Please be careful. Bonus. Special phrases for you. 51. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Could you say that again? 52. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? 53. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? 54. Where can I find it? Where can I find it? Where can I find it? 55. Could you speak slowly? Could you speak slowly? Could you speak slowly? 56. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? 57. I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. 58. Could you help me find it? Could you help me find it? Could you help me find it? 59. Where is the nearest station? Where is the nearest station? Where is the nearest station? 60. Could you take a picture for me? Could you take a picture for me? Could you take a picture for me? Great job completing day 5 of our shadowing challenge. If you enjoyed practicing with me, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Write your favorite phrase in the comments, and I'll reply to you personally. See you in day 6.